Hello, digital trailblazers. In today's video, we're diving into a world of opportunities as we explore 10 innovative ways you can monetize your skills online using the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT. Get ready to unlock your potential and transform your talents into a source of income. Segment 1. Content Creation Specialist. Starting off at number 1, become a content creation specialist. Harness ChatGPT's creative prowess to write captivating articles, blog posts, and marketing content that resonate with your target audience. Segment 2. Personalized Writing Coach. At number 2, step into the role of a personalized writing coach. Offer writing assistance and feedback using ChatGPT's insights to help aspiring writers enhance their craft. Segment 3. Social Media Engagement Expert. Number 3. Transform into a social media engagement expert. Craft attention-grabbing posts and comments that spark conversations and keep your clients' social media platforms buzzing. Segment 4. Creative Storyteller. At number 4, embrace the role of a creative storyteller. Use ChatGPT's storytelling abilities to craft immersive narratives, short stories, and interactive experiences that captivate readers. Segment 5. Personalized Learning Tutor. Number 5. Become a personalized learning tutor. Offer educational support by using ChatGPT to provide explanations, solve problems, and guide students through challenging subjects. Segment 6. Business Idea Generator. At number 6, become a business idea generator. Collaborate with entrepreneurs and startups, using ChatGPT's insights to brainstorm innovative business concepts and strategies. Segment 7. Language Translation Specialist. Number 7. Embrace the role of a language translation specialist. Utilize ChatGPT's multilingual abilities to provide accurate and contextually relevant translations for businesses and individuals. Segment 8. Marketing Copy Strategist. At number 8, embark on a journey as a marketing copy strategist. Craft persuasive and compelling marketing materials using ChatGPT's insights to drive customer engagement. Segment 9. Virtual Event Host. Number 9. Step into the spotlight as a virtual event host. Use ChatGPT to moderate discussions, answer questions, and keep virtual events engaging and interactive. Segment 10. Tech Support Guru. And finally, at number 10, become a tech support guru. Leverage ChatGPT's technical knowledge to assist individuals with troubleshooting, software-related inquiries, and guidance. There you have it, 10 ingenious ways to monetize your skills online using the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT. Whether you're a writer, educator, marketer, or tech enthusiast, ChatGPT can be your partner in online success. So, which path will you choose? With ChatGPT by your side, the possibilities are limitless, and your journey towards financial independence in the digital world begins now. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the future is yours to shape.